Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Engagement Designer demo series. In the last episode, we talked about opening the administration console through System Manager. Now, in these next episodes, we're going to talk about using the administration console to administer your workflows and workflow development. To start, we're going to show the first three buttons in the upper right-hand corner, and then in the later episodes, we're going to individually go through each one of the tabs of Administration Console. The first button is the User Task Portal. This will open a new browser tab, and in that browser tab you can access user tasks that have been assigned through workflow. The workflows assign these user tasks as parts of development and as parts of working through the workflow as a team. The user task portal is meant to handle any sort of user tasks of addition, changes in development, anything that needs to be worked through together as a team process through a workflow. The user task portal is where that assignment is changed. The next button is the Engagement Designer button. The Engagement Designer button also opens a new browser tab, and that will actually take you to the development tool of Engagement Designer. We're going to get to the development within Engagement Designer in the later episodes, but I would just like to point out that this button also opens a new browser tab and takes you directly to the Engagement Designer tool once it loads here. There we go. That's the opening of the Engagement Designer tool. The last button is the Help button. The Help button opens up a new browser window, and in this window you can access all the documentation that comes along with the Avaya Engagement Designer. All of the tabs within here allow you access through the entire book of documentation and goes through a lot of the same stuff I'm going to be talking about within these YouTube episodes. You can go through the index, and you can even search by keywords to find any sort of information on the Engagement Designer. And that's the Help button in the upper right. That's all I wanted to talk about within this episode. In the next episodes, we're going to be talking about each tab individually here within the Administration Console and how each one of those tabs should be used with the Engagement Designer Development Platform tool.